Hello children, we are going to start our second chapter, Graphical User Interface Operating System, Desktop Management. Before starting the chapter, let us discuss about Graphical User Interface. In earlier days, command line interface are used, where no icons, taskbar or files are displayed on the desktop. But now, Graphical User Interface replaces the command line interface. So let me explain graphical user interface. Graphical related with pictures or images. User means use करने वाला यानी कि हम. Interface means communication or interact. So it is clear that graphical user interface graphics के साथ user को interface provide करता है. Clear? Now computer divided in two parts, hardware और software. Hardware क्या है? Physical parts of computer are called hardware and software further divided in three parts, operating system, application software, utility software. Operating system. An operating system is an interface that user can interact with hardware and software resources. Application software, we are using Word, Excel, PowerPoint or any other software. These all are application software. Utility software, backup files, antivirus software, etc. These are utility software. So let's start our chapter. Graphical user interface is a type of user interface that allows users to interact with electronic devices through graphical icons and visual indicators. Graphical user interface is familiar to most of us today in either the Mac or Windows operating system. All Windows like Windows 10, 7, 95, 98, these all are graphical user interface. The computer is made up of different parts and does many works at the same time. So it requires manager for it. The manager in a computer is called operating system. Operating system is an interface between the hardware and the software that controls and manages the different parts of operating system. Different types of operating system are Microsoft Windows, Unix, Linux, etc. In this chapter, we are going to explore more features of Windows 7. So, features of Windows 7 are, let us discuss one by one, attractive, interactive and easy to use. Windows 7 has a very attractive appearance with colorful themes, gadgets, thumbnail, previews, etc. Searching made easier. Using Windows 7, we can quickly search any file or folder in our computer. Just press Ctrl F and find your file or folder. Flexible taskbar. Flexible taskbar means we can pin our favorite programs on the taskbar for easy access. Windows support multitasking means we can perform more than one task at a time. For example, we can type letters in MS Word while enjoying listening to music using the Windows Media Player. Clear? Jump list shows the documents, pictures, songs or websites you have recently visited. Here you can see cascading windows. Options arranges all the open windows from the top left corner of the screen to the bottom right in layers like this. This feature is also seen in your mobile. Okay. Now continue in next class.